બની ગયા કે નહીં? અને યાદ છે ને તારીખ 7મી મે? તૈયાર છો ને બધા વોટ આપવા માટે? याद है कि नहीं? बराबर। जय गरवी गुजरात। हम भारत के कैबिनेट मंत्रियों का सादर नमस्कार स्वीकार करें।
अतिथि देवो भव। और आप सब तो हमारे विद्यार्थियों के लिए मूल्य हैं। हम आपको इस सत्य से अवगत कराना चाहते हैं कि युवा वर्ग देश के कर्णधार है। इनका हौसला ही प्रगति का आधार है।
हर विद्यार्थी देश का भावी प्रतिनिधि है, इसलिए हमारी आपसे विनती है देश की नींव को मजबूत बनाने में अपना योगदान दे। तो देवियों और सजनों, कृष्णा हायर सेकेंडरी के वैलेडिक्टरी फंक्शन 2023-24 का भरपूर आनंद है। Bhairav Singh ji, would you like to unfold the proceedings of this magnolious evening?
It would indeed be my utmost pleasure. खास समारोह को एकेडमिक प्रोसेशन से आरंभ किया जाएगा। चीफ गेस्ट मिस्टर केतन दवे, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर कर्नल अमित पारुलेकर. Leading the procession is the chief guest, Mr. Ketan Dave. Guest of honor, Colonel Amit Parulekar. Chairperson NES, Ms. Tejal Amin. And Principal Navrachna School Sama, Ms. Suprabha Menon. Following closely are Trustee NES, Ms. Sandhya Gajjar. General Manager NES, General Manager NES, Mr. Utsav Pujari. Manager Admin, Mr. Biju Kurian, and the coordinators and in charges. Leading the teachers and the students of the outgoing batch of 2023-24 are the torchbearers of the school. President Student Council Sara Chokse, Head Boy Arya Sibbal, and Head Girl Vedika Patel.
राष्ट्र की आवाज, प्रतिष्ठा के प्रतीक, देश के लिए, देश के द्वारा, देश के संरक्षक, मिनिस्टर ऑफ सिविक डायलॉग एंड नेबरहुड रिलेशंस, मिथिला कुमारी।
Minister of Mental Health and Well-being, Bhairav Singh.
Minister of Future Planning and Implementation, Bindeshwari Devi.
Minister of Youth Justice and Representation, Ishwar Prasad. देश चाहता है समृद्धि का सफर, न्याय और समाधान की शिक्षित नागरिक, समाज में भाईचारा, अपराध कम, इंसानियत ज्यादा, गरीबी को हरा, जागृत भारत बनाना, सफलता की ओर बढ़ते हुए एक सशक्त समाज बनाना।
तो जोर से बोलिए, भारत जय। एक बार फिर, भारत माता की जय। देश के युवा वर्ग पर नजरें टिकी हुई है चारों तरफ जमाने की। जब बदलाव की भागदौड़, देश के युवा वर्ग तुम पर नजरें टिकी हुई है चारों तरफ जमाने की। जब बदलाव की भागदौड़ तुम्हारे हाथ में आएगी तो देश की सफलता खुद ब खुद शोर मचाएगी। इसीलिए हम इनकी हौसला अफजाई के लिए महफिल वैलेडिक्टरी 2023-24 में शामिल हुए हैं।
अजीज मेहमानों, जरा गौर फरमाइए। You shall now witness Chairperson NES Ms. Tejal Amin presenting a memento to the chief guest Mr. Ketan Dave and guest of honor Colonel Amit Parulekar as a token of their gratitude and appreciation. Mr. Ketan Dave, an alumnus of the batch of 2008, is the CEO of Mr. Italy, bringing over 12 years of extensive experience in the hospitality and retail sectors to his role. He holds a degree in hotel management from Las Vegas, USA, and has occupied esteemed positions, including food and beverage director at Carlene Cruise, the world's largest cruise company, youngest Asia general manager at McDonald's, pioneer of McCafe, and the South India head at ITC Group. In his current role, Mr. Ketan Dave has further solidified his reputation as a dynamic and visionary leader. Regarding the company's vision, Mr. Dave emphasizes a commitment beyond culinary excellence, aiming to create a world where everyone can indulge in the essence of South Indian heritage. He envisions a network of flourishing franchise restaurants globally, where quality, affordability, and innovation intersect, making Mr. Italy a beloved destination for delicious and affordable food. It is indeed a deep honor and privilege to have you here with us, sir.
ईश्वर प्रसाद जी, कृपया हमारी सम्मानित अतिथि कर्नल अमित पारोलेकर जी का परिचय यहाँ पधारे अतिथियों से भी तो करवाइए।
अवश्य। Colonel Amit Parulekar is an infantry officer in the Indian Army and has been in the uniform for more than 2 decades. Colonel Parulekar is one of them, having done his entire schooling from Navratna. After passing out with the Millennium Batch in the year 2000, he became the first one to join the National Defence Academy at Khadakwasla, Pune, followed by the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, thereby becoming an inspiration for many others to follow. During his illustrious career in the army, he has served across the length and breadth of the country, along different borders, with almost a decade in Jammu and Kashmir and the northeastern states of India. For his meritorious service, he was selected and deployed as the United Nations peacekeeper in the war-infested Congo of Africa. Colonel Saab, your esteemed presence has enhanced the grandeur of this event. तो चलिए इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
I admire your spirit.
जब दीपक की रोशनी हो तो अंधकार खुद ब खुद मिट जाता है. इस अनमोल घड़ी में परमात्मा के आशीर्वाद का आवाहन करने के लिए प्रिंसिपल नवरत्ना स्कूल सभा Ms. Suprabha Menon, along with the other dignitaries, shall now come forward to light the auspicious lamp and dispel the darkness of ignorance.
ज्योति परब्रह्म दीप ज्योति जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीप ज्योते नमस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योते नमोस्तुते दीपज्योते नमोस्तुते दीपज्योते नमोस्तुते.
May the light of the propitious lamp instill within all courage, resilience, and inner strength.
भैरव सिंह जी, अब कार्यक्रम का रुख मोड़ते हैं निष्ठावान लीडर्स की ओर. A leader's greatness is measured not by the height of his throne. A true leader is the epitome of innate empathy, an enlightened vision, and a strong ethical compass. Mr. केतन दवे जी, आप हमसे सहमत हैं ना? Right. तो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. नवरत्ना हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल समा की प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती सुप्रभा मेनन जी अपने अनमोल विचार व्यक्त करेंगे.
Learning at Navratna is holistic and takes place through focused classrooms, performances on stage, and participation on the sports field. Importantly, education for us involves nurturing the trinity of faculties: physical, mental, and emotional. Through education, shared experiences, and community service, we strive to ensure that our students become productive, responsible, creative, and compassionate members of the global community. We prepare children for life by encouraging a passion for lifelong learning and a quest for excellence, developing in them a sense of purpose which expresses itself in the spirit of service and giving, exposing them to the challenge of community building, commitment to others, and responsible decision making, and cultivating resilience, resourcefulness, and adaptability as important life skills. Thus, at the end of the 15 years in school, we've watched with pride and satisfaction when they're ready to leave the comfort of their alma mater to make their mark in the world beyond, a world with limitless possibilities for them, as embodied by the two illustrious alumni presiding over this function. Mr. Ketan Dave, batch of 2008, and Colonel Amit Parulekar, batch of 2000, make us so proud. While one has aced the cutthroat corporate world in such a short time, the other has built an illustrious career in the army, serving the nation. It is truly an honor having you in our midst. Thank you, dear parents, for your presence here today and for your unique contribution in shaping your children and giving them strong values. Your commitment and schedules may not have allowed you to visit the school very often, but be sure we have felt your presence with us at every turn, supporting us in our endeavor to build a strong foundation for children. You will forever be a part of the Navratna family, as will your children. Dear students, at the outset, let me congratulate all of you who have already got placed at prestigious universities and colleges or have cleared entrances conducted so far. With 13 students having cleared the first round of NIFT, 2 NID, 6 in CLAT, an equal number in JE, and admissions secured in the universities of British Columbia, Toronto, Waterloo, Massachusetts, this batch is set to make history. My best wishes to all those who are attempting NEET on the 5th of May. Children, we are so proud of your achievements over the years, your various successes in academics, cultural pursuits, and sports. You have willingly and enthusiastically accepted the challenge of setting new benchmarks along the way. You have grasped the many leadership opportunities, both formal and informal, that you have got to positively influence the student body as a whole. You have shown resilience in the face of challenges and a commitment to excellence that bodes well for your future. Remember, the education you have received here gives you a definite edge. Use it to lead, to serve, and to make a difference wherever you go. You are equipped not just with facts, but with values and the ability to think critically about the world around you. As you step into a world that is ever-changing, hold on to your dreams with determination and perseverance. Do not fear the unknown. Continue to learn, continue to grow, and continue to challenge yourself. The German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche said, "He who has a why to live for can bear almost any how." So find your ikigai, your life's mission. When you discover your ikigai, you will find that things may not work out the first time around. My advice to you would be, accept rejection with a positive attitude, for it is not the end. As the Japanese saying goes, if you fall 7 times, you get back 8 times. Legend has it that Walt Disney was fired from the advertising agency where he was working because, as one of his bosses wrote, he lacked imagination. This was the man who went on to found the company which is home today to everything from the Marvel Universe to Star Wars. So do not let anyone make you believe that you cannot do it. Find people who will believe in you, take advantage of the opportunities that come along, and practice Kaizen, continuous improvement, little by little. Children, in the end, I sincerely thank you for the love, respect, support, and care that we, your teachers, have received from you. Today marks not just the culmination of your years at school, but the beginning of a new chapter in your lives. जो नज़र को ढलता हुआ दिखता है, वो क्षितिज के पार उदित होता दिखता है। जो एक अंत के जैसा दिखता है, दूसरी ओर नई उम्मीद लेकर उगता है। तो फिर चल पड़ो तुम एक नए क्षितिज की ओर। With all our blessings, God bless.
आशा है आप सभी ने इनके स्वर्णिम विचारों को आत्मसात किया होगा।
Stakeholders of Navratna, हम इस हकीकत को तो जान चुके हैं कि in the vast ocean of opportunities, Navrachna ride the waves of aspiration and let the compass of curiosity guide them to new horizons. We shall get an added glimpse of this as Miss Sushmita Datta steers us through the cruise of the Navrachna Tycoons of Class 12E.
Thank you, Bhairav Singh ji. Surfing the waves of ocean of life, all aboard on the Promise cruise ship, huddled together for the past 2 years, plenty of memories in our hearts we keep. We sailed ahead, advancing towards our destination, turning each moment into memory and smiles into laughter. Good evening, everyone, and my Class 12B. Welcome on board the Navrachna Tycoons. Meet the dynamic and cheerful crew on board who steered you to navigate these 2 years being your North Star. On board, we have our sports live wire, Prisha, Vanshi, Akil, Mehak, Mudit, Neelkant. Vice Sports Captain Prisha, please stand up, children. Vice Sports Captain Prisha has represented football at national level, SGFI, Khel Mahakumbh and in Shubuto Cup numerous times. Sports lawyer in the making, Prisha dons many caps. She is the roaring member of the Ruby House, organizing member of TEDx and was the Sherpa in Navvachanam G20. If you are thinking I'm speaking of a petite and graceful model in making, you're wrong. Vanshi is a powerful kickboxer and has represented school at national level and feels kickboxing has realigned her focus in life. This Dole Shole boy of my class loves to work out, which is his second nature. Akil, a health freak who hardly ate food in school because his dad would get upset. Though the favors of biryani wafted through the class many a times. Winner of gold and silver medal in shot put is known for his crazy sense of humor. Akil, मेरे सपनों की बिरयानी कब आएगी तू? Pretty and present Mehak is district level basketball player. She is the proud recipient of gold medal in shot put. Mehak has a keen business acumen and wants to set up her own business empire. Gentleman of the class Mudit loves the beautiful game and is a state level football player. This shy champ feels every school must work to increase the morale of an average student so that they can excel in life. Wise and composed Neelkant shares the same passion of football and is a state level football player. He is keenly waiting to join his family business. Neelkant is much interested in politics. Gamers never quit, they simply restart. In the leisure lounge are Aryan Pillai and Abhijit. Aryan loves to play football and is a music buff. Gaming interests him and he believes that school has helped him groom his personality. Though impulsive at times, he can easily engage the class with an endearing smile. Abhijit is a pet owner and a pet lover. He wants to join his family business and will ensure a pet-friendly workplace for all. Gaming interests him and he proudly wears the chef's hat in junior classes. जहाँ चार यार मिले वहाँ क्लास हो गुजर, जहाँ मोमोज बर्गर ना हो वो शाम ही बेकार. पेश खिदमत है दोस्तों की मिसाल शुभ, नित्य, आर्य और ध्रुव. शुभ आपको ढूंढ रहा था, फाइल सबमिट करनी है. ठीक है, पर फाइल कहाँ है? क्लास घर पे. अरे मैम काम डाउन. Shubh amp him in class after any goof up. Happy-go-lucky Shubh is the blogger of the class and has his own YouTube channel with 1,000+ subscribers. Cooking for Mama is one of my favorite blogs. Shubh, एक blog हमारी valedictory पे भी जरूर बनाना. The twinkle in Ditya's eye can launch many fun moments in the class. Ditya has been part of Kho-Kho and football team. His smart sense of humor can easily outsmart friends and teachers alike. दिल टूटे या जुड़े, खाने से ही इनकी बात बनती है. धोखा खाने से समोसा खाना अच्छा है भाई. Arya is a cricket buff and has been the pride of Emerald House cricket team. He participated in many IHC cricket matches and has a sound knowledge of share markets. Bringing Swachh Bharat mission into the class, he readily helped in cleaning the class. Dini, as he's fondly called, is Yaro ka Yaar and keeps all secrets and unleashes them when most unexpected. Witty and confident Dhruv is fond of cars. Veer, Rachit, Aryan, Swapnil, Ronak embark on this journey along with us. Veer loves to trek and has taken his hobby seriously. He has scaled 4 peaks and has a well-deserved certificate of Kedarnath Snow Expedition and Janga Expedition. He wants to pursue his career in animation. Rachit wants to be a CA. He loves camping and hiking and is convinced that school has prepared him for challenges which he will all set to surmount. Kind-hearted Aryan loves music and rap. He gives patient hearing to all his friends क्योंकि ये विश्वास करते हैं अपने दोस्तों की हमेशा सुनो क्योंकि उनकी कोई नहीं सुनता. Catch me if you can describes Ronak. He loves to travel and had made this ritual in the school. ऊपर वाले ने दुनिया गोल बनाई, मेरी वजह से सब गोलमाल हो गया. Swapnil loves cricket and has been part of various cricket tournaments. Economics is his area of interest as he has cleared the second round of International Economics Olympiad 22-21. फीकी हर चुंगी, फीका हर बंदेज, जो रंगता है रूह को, वही असली रंगरेज. जानवी, सिद्धि, माही, काम्या, रूसवे and Sidran. Life is a canvas that can be painted with beautiful experiences is what Jhanvi believes. Her world is full of strokes and palettes of color that defines her personality. If silence is gold, Siddhi is gold personified. Siddhi is the anchor of the class who manages to keep the class together silently. She loves to do crochet and find solace in weaving up wonders. A state-level basketball player, Mahi, has participated in many IMOs and IEOs. She is passionate about photography and has an enviable collection of sunrise and sunset photos. Chirpy and bubbly Kamya loves sport and is trained in music. She is a storehouse of information and has an updated knowledge about senior and junior batches alike. Fashion inspires her and we have amongst us a fashion designer to be. Roosway, a talented guitarist of the class who loves to strum his guitar to soothe the nerves of the He has been part of many IHCs and wants to pursue MBA. Soft-hearted Simran can surprise you with her credentials. She has got gold medal in karate and is a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. The go-getters are good, but go-givers are better. Soumya, Deepak and Anushna. Soumya is the navigator of the class and takes everyone along. Managing the crisis of the class with a calm mind is a hallmark. She was impressive leader of TEDx logistic team. The goal-getter Deepak is a blue-blooded commerce student who enjoys every aspect of it. This finance wizard aspires to be a businessman, but ladies and gentlemen, he has the medal to be the finance minister of the country. Anushna, the glow-getter, a beautiful girl who knows her worth, slays her goal and leaves the glow on the other girl. An avid MUN delegate, she loves everything about laws, rules, procedures. Anushna aspires to be an international business lawyer. Finally, the captains of the ship, Abhiman, Venabi, Swara. Abhiman has been part of the council for 4 glorious years and has proved his resolve as a leader. He has been instrumental in organizing activities like TEDx, Teachers Day and G20. His short film, The Straw Man, recently released on YouTube, has garnered many compliments for his acting prowess. खुशमिजाज अभिमान believes, जिंदगी में बस दिल जीतने का मकसद रखिए. दुनिया जीत कर तो सिकंदर भी खाली हाथ गया था. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, defines Venabi. As house prefect, she believed it was cash course for responsibility, and as IT head, she did what she is good at, capturing all moments, giving it a well-deserved digital platform. She proved her mettle as social media head of TEDx, and she was the most coveted art director of YouTube movie Straw Man. A successful junior prefect and incredible head of Alumni Connect, Swara contributed to the school legacy by connecting the batches. She is a state-level swimmer and has medals to a kitty in Khel Mahakumbh and SGFI. She was at just the best speaker at Navvachanam G20. Her team won the Best Team Award, Innovation, Design and Entrepreneurship Boot Camp organized by Ministry of Education. As I stand here on completing my 20th year in Navratna, you all have made me a proud class teacher of 12 years. We celebrated every occasion as it has been the celebration of your school life. So one last time, I love my class. Thank you.
सुप्रभा मैडम जी, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, बदलाव के समुद्र में राह बनाते ये क्रूजर्स चुनौतियों के तूफानों में भी खोजते हैं सफलता का सफर।
बिंदेश्वरी देवी जी, सुप्रभा मैडम जी भी इस बात से सहमत है। इसलिए हम दुआ करते हैं कि साहस, संकल्प और सहनशीलता से इन्हें सफलता की प्राप्ति हो।
अब चलिए आपको एयर ड्रॉप करते हैं रेसिंग की दुनिया की एक ट्रेंडिंग रील। दोस्तों, फॉर्मूला 1 का सफर है संघर्ष और साहस का खेल। सुपर कार्स और ड्राइवर्स का है ये एक अनोखा मेल। लाइट्स आउट से लेकर चेकआउट फ्लैग तक देखने को मिलती है अनेक शूरवीरों के प्रदर्शन की झलक।
और अब 12C के डेयरडेविल्स की कहानी और यही झलक दिखाने डॉक्टर राजवी देसाई मंच पर उपस्थित हो रही हैं।
Thank you, Ishwar Prasad ji. In the grand race of life, take every corner with determination, accelerate through challenges, and remember, the finish line is just the beginning of a new race. Honorable dignitaries, proud parents, and of course, the amazing graduating batch of 2024. I, Dr. Rajvi Desai, with my International Automobile Federation, present to you the class grade of 12C. We have the team Ambitious AlphaTauri. And the members are Kanishka Chapal, our scholarly shoemaker. Her ambitions are so high that NASA वाले सोच रहे हैं अपने next rocket launch के लिए इनके study habits follow करें। दिव्या खंडेलवाल, the academic sensation. इनके पास notebook manufacturers की line लगी रहती है, like they have discovered the holy grail of study sessions. Up next is the team Mischievous McLaren. To hit the track first, we have Achintya Madhav. He defies the laws of classroom seating. Achintya's refusal to be tied down to a chair adds a whole new level of rebellion. Next in line is Nanha Sipahi Lakshya Lalan. Whenever the teacher utters those fateful words, Lakshya, please read for us. It's as if he has been asked to climb Mount Everest barefoot. Following Lakshya is Zair Ali, our very own speedy communicator.
If chattering were a sport, Zayed would be the undisputed champion. Last but not the least, we have Heedgia, the undercover mischief master. Quiet on the outside, but a tornado of mischief on the inside. Moving on to the team, Warm-Hearted Williams. Meet my silent superheroes, Diya Shah and Kashish Patel. They communicate volumes with smiles, making silence sound cool. Bhumi Shah, her respectometer is off the charts and her aspirations have a passport. It's like she's saying, I'll study abroad and my manners are coming too. Meet Rena Bhumia and Rishabh Mistry. While Rena is the goddess of calligraphy, poetry and pottery, Rishabh has this uncanny ability to read the problem behind the teacher's smile, with his favorite line being, Ma'am, aap theek ho? Up next is the team Adventurous Alfa Romeo. Meet our academic speedster, Sanchita Singh. While others are still figuring out which segment of the textbook is being discussed, हवा की गति से भी तेज हमारी संचिता क्लासरूम एग्जिट के 2 लैप्स पूरे कर चुकी होती है. Priyan Mishra, the cheerful football maestro. In class, he is tossing out witty comments that leave his classmates laughing. Kushagra Chaudhary, the towering titan of the basketball court with a heart as big as his 3-pointers. Off the court, he is a patriot extraordinaire. Let's move on to the team Articulate Aston Martin. Meet my precision pen cruiser, Vidhi Kevlani. English wizard by day and astrophysics enthusiast by night. Her pen is mightier than a black hole's gravity. Achal Makijani. Silence takes a vacation when Achal is around. She considers quiet moments to be the mythical creatures in need of her articulate rescue. Next in line, we have the team Artistic Alpine. To begin with, we have Diya Panchal, the whirlwind of energy and grace, who managed to juggle her love for dance with her duties as a house prefect. Navya Panchal, the exceptional scribe with handwriting so flawless, it could make calligraphy jealous. Navya's note-taking skills are legendary among her classmates. Janya Puri, while her classmates are busy creating a cacophony in the class, Janya sits in serene silence, channeling her inner Shakespeare through her writing. Succeeding the Alpine is the team Humble Has. Meet the fresh-faced rookies Harsh Gajwani and Varun Sherzia. Harsh is a nocturnal scholar who by day becomes the Zen master of napping in the class. Varun is like a cyclone in the classroom. You never know when he'll strike next, but you can bet it'll be hilarious. Up next is Rajat Jha, the unofficial ambassador of the Raw Agency. He has a heart of gold radiating warmth and approachability. In the queue next is the team Meticulous Mercedes. Talib Jiruwala. He swoops into classes with the precision of a ninja. He can calculate the perfect moment to appear. Avik Bandyopadhyay, the English maestro, speaks in paragraphs that sounds like poetry. And now, hold on to your theplas and think about Doklas, folks, because here comes my team, Ferocious Ferrari. This team has been feeling offended by me for 2 years, as I never spoke to them in Gujarati. So, tamari valedictory, especially Gujarati ma. First in the Ferrari is 12 Fino silent operator, જેનો સ્વભાવ એટલો કૂલ કે કાકડી પણ શરમાઈ જાય. અને એનું તોફાન એટલું સિક્રેટ કે શેરલોક હોમ્સ પણ પાણી ભરે. એ છે અલય શાહ. Up next is Hed Trivedi, the embodiment of Jai Jai Garmi Gujarat. 12 Fino Durandar, Gucchu Guru. એનું સ્કૂલ બેગ માત્ર સ્કૂલ બેગ નથી, પોર્ટેબલ ગરબા ગ્રાઉન્ડ છે જ્યાં ઊભા રહ્યા ગરબા શરૂ. પ્રસ્તુત છે મારો ગુજરાતી ગેસ્ટ્રોનોમર અને અંગ્રેજી ભાષાનો ઉસ્તાદ શ્યામ બ્રહ્મભટ્ટ. વડોદરાનું સેવસળ હોય કે સુરતનો લોચો, બસ નામ લો અને શાને વાનગીની વિસ્તૃત જાણકારી આપી દેશે. And now, ladies and gentlemen, last but surely not the least, the team Rocking Red Bulls. Red Bull doesn't just give you energy, it gives you wings to fly above the ordinary. And my Rocking Red Bulls manifest this statement. Harpreet Sandhu, our head of IT and innovation, is the master of innocent mischief. He has a knack for wearing the wrong uniforms and sparking informal chats in the class that expertly deviate everyone from the lesson. He has perfectly balanced his work and academics, still never missing a chance to have fun. Chatte Fateh for your bright future. और अब मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे. इंतजार की घड़ी खत्म हुई क्योंकि वो आ गए हैं. To start with मेरा करण Soreshwar, the unrivaled mischief maker, the badmash number 1 of 12C. इनके लिए PE ही इनका सर्वस्व है. Being his in-school mother was a joy, with his तकिया कलाम being, आप तो मम्मी हो, last time बचा लो. मेरा दूसरा लाल, मेरा अर्जुन, आर्य सिब्बल, our head boy. He is the ultimate overachiever, acing academics, killing it in cricket, tickling the ivories on the keyboard and owning the stage with his oratory skills. He is the school's Swiss Army knife, resident all-rounder, total package of humor and reliability, no doubt. As we come to the end of this journey, it's clear that every student in this class is a force to be reckoned with. To the graduating batch of 2024, I say this. रेस चाहे गाड़ियों की हो या जिंदगी की, जीतते वही है जो सही वक्त पर गियर बदलते हैं. Children, and I will miss you a lot.
बेमिसाल पेशकश, ये तो निडरता और समर्पण का अनमोल संगम था. और विद्यार्थियों, ये संगम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स के लिए अद्भुत है. याद रखिएगा.
Spot on analysis, Bhairav Singh ji.
तो देवियों और सजनों, upcoming is the highlight of today's live stream. इसलिए जरा गौर से सुनिएगा. The power of conviction and willingness of a leader to take a stand brings about a pivotal change.
एक लीडर ही तो अपने समुदाय यानी कि कम्युनिटी का मार्गदर्शक होता है. और अब ऐसी ही एक लीडर, President Student Council Sarah Choksi, shall now grace the stage as a beacon of inspiration.
Thank you, Diksha. How lucky am I to have something that will make saying goodbye so hard, said A.A. Milne. And today I realize what he was talking about. Good evening, everyone. I would like to preface this speech by just saying that nothing I say today will be able to capture the far-off feelings and experiences that either the 200 of you or I have or are facing. But here's a brave yet modest attempt at it. Navrachna. 12 years of calling this place our home, and I cannot imagine life any other way. There are many things one can accord to our fine institution, but there is one indomitable characteristic of its that it has lent to every one of us who has walked through those gates at various points of our school journey, which is impossible not to acknowledge. And that, my friends, is courage. This school has given me the courage to be unapologetically myself, ask for what I deserve and take nothing less. Try, fail and improvise, but never give up. I am so thankful for the fact that in the 12 years I've been here, nobody has tried to put me in one box, but helped me take as many as I possibly could. From trying drums in club period in 2nd grade, to dance in 5th grade, finding my love for football somewhere in the middle, thanks to our weekly sports periods. And well, this mic, I've been at it since the very first grade. I think I also tried sculpting at some point, but thank God for self-awareness. I remember the Katha writing competitions we used to have in the primary section, and how they made me realize how much I like writing. And while our interests might be different, I know that all of us got to explore them to the greatest depths possible because of the opportunities our school and teachers gave us. Our teachers not only allowed us to try and work at new things with our academics, but empowered us by making sure we get the notes or the extra classes and go the extra mile with us so that we could follow our dreams. And let me tell you why this is such a big part of my speech. Because for the past 12 years, this for me was school. Having a place to foster the spirit of excellence within. But as I interact with the world outside, I realize, my friends, that this is not just school, it's Navrachna. I am so thankful to all my teachers, past and present, from the very first grade till today, for giving me wings to make my far-fetched dreams into achievable goals, guiding me every step of the way. I am an only child, but thanks to our school, I have never felt that way. From all the supportive seniors that have guided me and all of us throughout the years and still do after being outside of school, thank you, Navrachna, for giving me elder siblings. And all my juniors, some of whom are present here today, who reach out to me and all of us for notes, and with the same problems and fears that we once had. Thank you for making me feel like I've gained some wisdom. I think I might just be the world's happiest middle child. And my batch, each and every one of you inspire me so much with the way you strive every day to be better, know better, and do more, fighting your own battles and fears. I think we need to take a pause a second and give ourselves an applause, for we have just finished high school. Each one of you through the years of classes shuffling have impacted my life in various ways that I will carry with me forever. And finally, my council, my real life Power Rangers Mega Squad, ready to solve any problem erupting at any hour, day or night, making things fit budgets to the level of wizardry, but most importantly, always having each other's back. It was an honor and privilege to serve the school with you all. I can't go without thanking all the Didis and Bhaiyas in the support staff who always ensured I ate even if I came at the very end. The whole security team for making sure we were safe and we could learn. And how can I forget the office, without whom most of our event logistics would have just fallen flat at the beginning. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my family and friends. Everything that I've been able to do is because of their unwavering and unconditional support. No questions asked, no limits created. And my Dada, who isn't here with us anymore, but has given me the morals and principles that guide my life. Friends, I know today has got you all in a whirlwind of feelings, bittersweet and scary. For years now, we have been Navrachnites protected under the nurturing mango trees of this school we call home. But the time has come to set out into the real world. All the best for what the future holds. I can't wait to see you all on billboards and magazine covers, newspaper headlines and record books, and proudly say that these people are my fellow Navrachnites. With that, I, Sara Choksi, sign off as the President Student Council 2023-24. Thank you, it has truly been an honor.
अपनी यादों के मोतियों को शब्दों में पिरोने के लिए धन्यवाद साथ। अब बढ़ते हैं वर्तमान से अतीत की ओर। The histories of the world around us have helped shape leaders in evolving from the ordinary to the exemplary. तो चलिए कर्नल साहब, इतिहास के धुंधले पन्ने दोबारा पलटते हैं, वीरों के पराक्रम के गीत फिर से गाते हैं और सुनते हैं इस शर्मिष्ठा पौर की जुबानी 12F के शाबाजों की कहानी।
Welcome to the gala night of the royal descendants. आज की शाम इतिहास के वो पन्ने पलटे जाएंगे where we will witness empires emerging
लड़ते फिर भी वो लड़े, वो राजपूत। तो अब मिलिए राजपूताना साम्राज्य के बाशिंदों से, सानिध्या, यशराज और जोकिम, who have traded their swords for dumbbells and have replaced armed elephants with motorbikes. टीचर्स इनके लिए अक्सर गुनगुनाए, बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। In a pursuit for excellence in the outdoors, Sanidhya brought out Gulliver alive on stage from the books. Joachim strived for each basket and owned the court, and Yashraj's cheerfulness became his power of endurance. राजपूती कंगन में उतनी ही धार है जितनी राजपूत तलवार में, presenting the Viranganas Ananya, Vidhi and Padmaja. Sports grounds are the battlefields for ambitious Ananya and valorous Vidhi. They enter the minds of their opponents and leave their jaws open with each slam dunk and dominant smash. Next is Padmaja, who with her army of dogs turn all battlegrounds into a dance floor. With a passion for Zumba, her smile is as infectious as her winning spirit. और इस डायनेस्टी के विनिंग स्पिरिट के पीछे का मोटो है, असाइनमेंट से बचाओ, खेल कूद बढ़ाओ। Behold the whimsical lords and ladies roll out the red carpet for the Crown Chronicles, who have abandoned their quills for tea spills with tales as dramatic as their monarchs will. Up first are the royalties Pallavi and Isha, who reign over the throne with creativity. With Isha's eye for precision and Pallavi's remarkable epilogues, they create historical tricks. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most elegant of them all? Well, they are Countess Sara and Lady Mahima, the avant-garde fashion queens. Up next, we have Countess Yaidavi, a true descendant of Queen Victoria, who with her musical fervor turns classroom lectures into a royal karaoke session. And now, introducing the queens of heart and the life of every party, Lady Manya and Lady Navya. They spread magic with their charm in every room they enter. Reincarnated comes Pahal as Queen Elizabeth. जो कोई इससे मिले अक्सर कहे, तुम हमेशा इतना बोलती हो या आज कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन है? Her eloquent narratives energize our days and turn into royal bedtime stories. वो कहते हैं ना, बड़े लोग, बड़ी सोच, बड़ी बड़ी बातें. All rise, all hail, presenting Her Majesty Queen Netra Braganza. हर बात में she has justification. इनका surname है sophistication. Selfies से है इन्हें obsession. You bring charm to our class as my confession.
Miss Braganza!
बादब बामुलाइजा होशियार, अब दरबार खास में तशरीफ ला रही है the Queens of Mughal Sultanate. Just like in chess, the king may wear the crown, but the queen rules the board. The queens of 12F, Pari, Shreya, Janvi and Urva prove that being a leader doesn't always require a title. अब मुगल सल्तनत में प्रस्तुत है बेगम साहिबा उर्वा नरशाना. She has a mind as sharp as Birbal and a paintbrush mightier than Akbar's strokes on grand canvas. Next in line is the best minister of the Mughal court, Janvi Thakkar. Her will to face all challenges in life head-on makes her one of a kind. अब दरबार में प्रस्तुत है शहजादी श्रेया. With a ukulele in one hand and a keyboard in the other, she is rewriting history with melodies. हर मुश्किल को सुलझाना है इसके दाएं हाथ का खेल. To be master of all fields is her holy grail. जन्नत से उतरी अप्सरा इज़ार परी, जिसके हाथ में है काइंडनेस की छड़ी, और जो रहती है मदद के लिए खड़ी हर घड़ी. Her integrity and dignity are what sets her apart.
आइए अब मिलते हैं मेरे क्लास के बैजू बावरा और मियां तानसेन से, आयुषी एंड नाइशा. In every chord they play, a burst of joy echoes through the room. डीडी चैनल पर उन्होंने सुरों का ऐसा साज सजाया, फिर तो मुझे भी गुनगुनाने से कोई रोक न पाया. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a proud moment to share with you that this dynamic duo has been featured on a TV show Tararampam on DD Girnar channel. Friends, Romans and countrymen, now comes the mighty Roman Empire that has time traveled to take the center stage. Their togas are replaced by council sashes and they conquer hearts instead of nations with their dedication. Just like Rome wasn't built in one day, we have our President Sara Chokshi, whose cluster of achievements took years of hard work. She uses Herculean strength to ace organizing every school event. Up next, we have our cultural president, Himash Vaishnav. नवरचनानी आन बान शान, पुराने गानों का है दीवाना, लिखने का है इसका शौक पुराना, अपनी भाषा और संस्कृति से करता है प्यार. हम सब जानते हैं कि रंगमंच का है ये बेस्ट कलाकार. And now gracing us in the Royal Roman Court is Countess Dia Kapadia, the unmatched student counselor. Creating a symphony of kindness, she is a pillar of sincerity and compassion. इतिहास के पन्ने पलट लेना, चतुराई से शब्द सजाए हैं, राज दरबार में वाद विवाद करके सबका नजरिया बदलते हुए सबके दिल जीतते आए हैं, तब जाकर मौर्य सम्राट ये कहलाए हैं. Meet the imperial intellectuals Lavanya, Manthan, Tathagat, Ashka and Sairaj. चाणक्य नीति के रास्ते पर चलकर Lavanya and Manthan are set to become the ideal Atmanirbhar social workers, IAS. Tips taken from Arthashastra are sure to take Tathagat and Ashka far ahead in the realm of governance and management. Up next, we have a lawyer in the making, Sairaj Shilke, जिसके debating skills पर कभी संदेह नहीं करते. Dear Sairaj, may your journey from court से court तक be successful and all verdicts of life be in your favor. अब सुनिए गूंज जय भवानी जय शिवाजी के, नासिक ढोल के नगारों पर पधार रहे हैं मराठा साम्राज्य के पेशवा और महाराणी. आता स्वागत करूया माझ्या मराठी मुलगीच्या संयुक्ता शिर्के. मुझे इसने सिखाया कि लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है कभी रिस्क ना लेना. She doesn't break rules, well, she just gives them a remix. ऐसी डेयरिंग हमें भी दे दे ठाकुर. अब आ रही है महारानी किया ठक्कर, जिसे टक्कर लेना शिवाजी की तलवार से भी ज्यादा भारी पड़ता है. Our unmatched cultural president. She has the magic to transition from a flawless MC to a graceful dancer to an unwavering trendsetter. And honing her unwavering dedication, Kia has been accepted into the University of British Columbia and University of Toronto. What a proud moment indeed. And now please welcome Peshwa Angad. अगर गुजरात की हवा में व्यापार है, तो अंगद पंजाबी की हर सांस में व्यापार का जज्बा है. I'm sure he's ready to tackle any venture with goal-oriented precision and a kick of determination. In a quest to escape boredom, our curious girls Manasvi, Khushi Patel, Khushi Bhavsar, Tushi, Priyanka and Hetvi stumbled upon the most famous Anyway door. And in the blink of an eye, they crash-landed into the Meiji dynasty. Let's welcome the royals of Meiji dynasty. Meet Empress Manasvi and Monarchess Priyanka, who have inherited the art of cultivating life where each flower blooms with their kindness. Here comes Empress Hedvi and San Kushi, who have swapped their ancestors' calligraphy brushes for spatulas and freezes their skills in beautiful frames. And now from the scrolls of Meiji Dynasty to the screens of K-drama, meet Monarchess Tushi and Empress Kushi Bhavsar, who unravel the mysteries of human mind with a touch of dramatic flair. And with this, bidding adieu from the Meiji Dynasty, sayonara. Now, to grace this gala night, a group of Egyptian mummies woke up from their ancient slumber, presenting the Cleopatras, Gia, Lilia, and Gungun, who conquer hearts with beauty and reign thrones with their brain. Jovial Gia, noble Nitya, and graceful Gungun play their cards with the finesse of a queen and the wit of a pharaoh. No less comes the regal mastermind, Queen Hardy, who faces every obstacle with new heights of confidence. जब ये 2.5 किलो का इंसान किसी मुश्किल का सामना करता है, तो मुश्किलें उठती नहीं, उठ जाती है. And ditching the tomb comes the pharaoh Indiana Jones, Rohan Shah. With his agility, he balances the pyramids of sports and academics flawlessly. Well, ये पुरुष नहीं, महापुरुष है. Make way for a plot twist that even Shakespeare would envy. We have Nitya, Tanisha, Kashti and Jenny turning our gala night into a fashion fiesta. Meet Tanisha, whose charisma is the talk of the town. Nitya, a noble nurturer, believes, never say never. Jovial Jenny turns every journey into a jubilant story. And Kashti curates memories with her chirpy charm. Our headstrong and expressive divas are sure to fill their life with pastels, neons and colors galore. Mamma mia! Allora, bonjour, Al Pacino. Welcome, welcome senor, welcome senorita. मैं इनकी टीचर शर्मिष्ठा अब इंट्रोड्यूस करता मेरी क्लास के आखिरी पास्तास. The most beautiful Italian bonitas. Stepping right under the spotlight is the legend of Renaissance, the reincarnation of Leonardo da Vinci. Sarika is a true maverick. Even the question paper becomes a canvas to her imagination. And inspired by the love for pasta, quirky Kaina, hasta, hasata और आर्ट करता. 12F में आर्टिस्ट्री की महक कभी कम नहीं होती, क्योंकि हमारे पास महक जैन है. Marvelous महक channels her emotions into surreal works under the starry nights. अब आता वो जो घड़ी के कांटों से भी तेज भागता. Yes, when time meets dreams, miracles unfold in the tapestry of Prisha and Ronald's glory. They know how to keep their head up and heart strong in every situation. And in a world of trends, Ashmi and Ashi are designers of their own style. उनके fabulous creations को देखकर हर कोई कहे, Mamma mia, I'm not joking. And on this humorous note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time now to wrap the gala night. Let's raise a toast to the outgoing batch, the real stars of tonight. Dear students, remember that you hold the scepter of choice, decreeing the path of your own destiny. Embrace the power within you to shape your future. In the kingdom of aspirations, let passion be your loyal subject. May your decisions be regal, your actions noble, and your heart forever sovereign. In my eyes, you have emerged out as the monarchs of your own fate. Long live the monarchs, long live!